Let's go ahead and press circle to back out of here. And as you can see, this thing works, which is insane. To put your PlayStation 5 controller in the pairing mode, you want to push your PlayStation button in the create button, which is the button up here in the top left at the same time until it flashes. And as you can see, it flashing blue here to let you know that it is in pairing mode. Now on your Samsung tablet, go to settings here, click on Bluetooth, and then you will see the option here for dual sense wireless controller. Go ahead and click on that. You do get the pair request here, so go ahead and click on pair. And once it is connected, you will see here that the PlayStation 5 controller light has turned solid blue. Now, what you want to do on your tablet, just go ahead and click on the settings icon here and make sure it is selected as an input device. And then after that, let's go ahead and prop this up. You can actually use your PlayStation 5 controller as kind of like a mouse. So as you can see here, I'm just going around on the trackpad or here on the PlayStation 5 controller. And as you can see here, I'm using the keys. Let's go ahead and press circle to back out of here. And as you can see, this thing works, which is insane. And that is how you connect your PS5 controller to your Samsung tablet.